Good morning, good evening, or good day, good, good afternoon, people. Derivation at your service. I hope you have acceptable condition, health, or better. So I will take it short because I'm trying to level up and going to my next journey of my um, originality. So here it is, people. I will try to explain a Bible verse. First Peter 5:8. It says, "Be alert of sober mind. The enemy prowls around like a roaring lion, looking for someone or something to devour." Amen to that. So my interpretation of this one is like you need to we need to guard our words. We need to speak in with authority, of course, but in a righteous way. Amen to that. We don't need to be so judgmental with our words. We need to let most of the people understand, because not all humans want to understand or listen because of their ways, or of it, if it's religion or some kind of belief system. So we need to guard our words or our mouth, speak with in a disciplined way, balanced. So in Tagalog, piliin nyo yung mga tamang pananalita para sa kabutihan ng lahat at hindi lang para sa inyong sarili, sa ating sarili. Kung sa Bisaya pa, dili magpataka og sulti, bisang unsa ray sulti. Wala pa gani na wala pa ebidensya isulti na dayon. Wala pa dili tinuod kayo isulti na dayon. Excuse me. So, at ang ato manggong utok, yung ano natin, yung brain natin. Ano yan madaling maging judgmental sa mga bagay or mga tao, kahit ano. Kaya bago natin ibuga, alamin muna natin ano yung tamang ibubuga or isasabi. Biblical lahat yan It's all biblical. But we tend to read uh, the word of the words of God from the Bible, but we don't really understand it fully, because our brain is more complex and tend to go either shallow or deeper. So it's like that's the confusing part of the process, of the thinking. So bago tayo yung iniisip natin, hindi kaagad sasabihin. Isipin mo munang mabuti. Dahil ano yan madaling maghusga ang yung utak natin. Yung ano natin, at tong mga utok dali ra maghusga sa mga butang o sa mga taon sa bana. So ayaw mo sige pa ayaw pagdali og sulti kay mao man ay makahatag og kanang negatibo nga mga resulta, consequences ba mga. Yan yung nagbibigay ng mga negatibong ano eh, sa iba, naririnig nila. Tapos yun, gagamitin, they will use your own words against you. Yun yun. Yun yung sinasabi sa ano, yung metaphorically speaking. Yung lion, parang sasabihin natin, kung ang lion yung enemy natin, nag-ano yan, naghahanap yan ng ano, gustong kakainin niya, devour. Gusto niyang tapusin dahil hindi tama yung pananalita. Yung walang ano, wala sa lugar or wala sa ano. Kayo na mag-ano, relate niyan. Eh kung ang aso ba kalaban mo, tapos ano na yan, yung parang gutom na. Maghahanap talaga ng pagkain yan. Eh kung ikaw ay madaling kainin or kagatin or tikman or ano ba yan. Kasi inirita mo or kumpiyansa ba? Kumpiyansa ka nga nga na. Kung hindi yung aso kakagat sa'yo, babalik sa'yo yan, yung mga words mo. Gagamitin yan. Kung hindi sa tamang lugar o sa tamang oras. Wastong oras at lugar. Timing yan eh. So, yun lang. Long story short, people. I don't need to be more because I have experience in my 50 years now. All kinds of things. But still there is many people around the world, globally, suffering worse than I do. I always thinking there is always one or more that are trying to be better of their situations. So I am not, I'm just trying to motivate. The motivating bracket, derivation bracket, at your service, people. We are going global, more or less, from local. So try to relate to the words. Our belief system is so complex now with so many kind of beliefs. Ancients or not ancients, old or new ones. We're still creating new belief system. That's why we are so confused. Nalilito na tayo sa lahat ng mga paniniwala ng mga bagay or ano ba yan. So, maniwala muna tayo sa isa't isa. Mag-trust muna tayo. Mag-teamwork tayo sa buong mundo. Walang comparison. No comparison. No jealousy. No envious. No greed. No whatsoever hate. No, not too much love. It's about discipline and balance, people. So 10 minutes. Keep this planet this world a better place, peaceful. Okay, thank you for listening. That's the word of Jir of Visions. That's my brand, people. I hope in the future, I know in the future it will bloom more or less. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Rosauro Braga. Sinasabi kong Del Rosario. Minsan, Rosary. My Rosary. It's in the name. It's in my name. Bless you all and keep up the teamwork, people. Reciprocate, balance. Meet each other halfway. Not too much pride. Not too much high pride. Not too much comparison. Not bullying. No whatsoever that can cause any negativities in your daily lives. Amen. Peace. That's all for today, folks. Amen. Be righteous.